today, our group had a brainstorming session to decide on a unique theme for our mobile app. After sharing ideas, we wanted something meaningful, something that spreads good vibes, motivation, and positivity. That's why we came up with Positive. It's a simple but powerful quotes app designed to inspire people every day. Whether you're feeling stressed, Positive Vibe gives you positive message to brighten your mood and keep you going. Next, we designed wireframes and draft the user interface. We wanted the app to look clean, calming, and friendly. Simple colors, smooth navigation, and easy way to browse. As we continued planning, we realized that Positify is not just a school project. It's something that can genuinely help people, students, workers, or anyone who needs a little encouragement each day. That's what motivates us to keep improving our ideas and make sure that the app really gives positive vibes just like its name. Right now, we are in testing phase. It's challenging but also exciting because we're turning our concept into a real mobile app. And soon, we hope to showcase Positify as a platform that spreads kindness, inspiration, and positivity to everyone who uses it. We're really proud of how far this project has come. From just a simple idea during brainstorming, Positify has grown into something meaningful, an app that aims to help people stay motivated and appreciate the little moments of positivity in life. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Positify. So first, here is the Positify folder along with the photos that we use inside the app. After preparing everything, I'm going to run the app. Once it opens, I'll minimize the window a bit so the interface looks cleaner on screen. To start, we simply click Begin Journey. After clicking, it brings us to the Login and Create Account option. For this, we're going to create a new account. Let's register with the name Gian Valerie and the password 123. After creating the account, we are directed to the main page. After creating the account, we will now log in using the same name and password we registered. This will bring us directly to the main page of the app. On the main page, we have two options: Show Positivity and Manage Quotes. Let's explore Show Positivity first. Here, you will see the different inspirational quotes with pictures. If you want another quote, you can simply click again and it will show a new random quote. Now let's go back and open Manage Quotes. In this section, we can add new quotes. Edit existing ones. Or delete a quote if we no longer want it. This is where you can customize the content and make the app more personal. After trying out the features, we can press back and it will bring us back to the login page. And that's how you use Positify.